Hey, it's Josie with Affirmation Pod, and this is where you get soothing affirmations to help you be positive, focus on the good, and get healthier and happier. Welcome to new listeners. Welcome again to returning listeners. Thank you for joining me today. If you're looking for short, positive affirmations, not long ones, not wordy ones, just short, to the point, but powerful and meaningful, that is our episode today. It's called Short Positive Affirmations. The sister episode to this one is called the Short Tension Releasing Meditation. Again, the sister episode to this one today is episode 315, which is the Short Tension Releasing Meditation. All the episodes of Affirmation Pod have a sister episode, and they're listed in the show notes of every episode. This is to help you find more of what you need instead of having to scroll. Since we're well past 500 episodes now, remember, Affirmation Pod is here for you anytime you need it. And if you need short, positive affirmations, this one is 4 minutes long and it's here for you. So let's release some tension now. Relaxing your body. Here's short, positive affirmations. I am a light. I am strong. I am powerful. I am worthy. I am secure. I am courageous. I am happy. I am thankful. I am gracious. I am healthy. I like myself. I care for myself. I own my happiness. I embrace peace. I belong. I matter. I stay positive. I nourish myself. I am resilient. I live with ease. I am safe. I love myself. I am loved. If there was a short positive affirmation from this episode that really stood out for you, or is one that you really need to have on repeat right now, say it in the morning, say it in the evening, maybe write it down somewhere. Let this episode serve you to build you up and keep self-love and self-care close. If you're looking for these Affirmation Pod episodes with no ads and no announcements, that's available for Premium Access members. Premium Access members also get all the bonus episodes of Affirmation Pod with no ads and no announcements. Find out more or join today by going to affirmationpod.com/join. That's affirmationpod.com/join. Hey, it's Josie here. Thanks for listening today. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and feel free to play another episode right now.